Dividend income is money paid to you by companies as a reward for owning their stock. When you invest in certain companies, they often share part of their profits with shareholders. This payment is called a dividend. It's usually paid out every quarter, 4 times a year, but some companies pay monthly or annually. Unlike wages, you don't have to trade your time for this income. The money comes in simply because you own shares. Why does this matter for your work-life balance? Imagine having part of your bills paid by dividends, even if you're not working full-time. This can reduce stress and give you more options, like working fewer hours, taking a sabbatical, or starting a business. Many people use dividend income as a way to gain freedom from their jobs. The more dividends you earn, the less you need to rely on a paycheck. Dividend investing is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It takes time, patience, and planning. But once you build up your investments, dividend income can be a steady source of passive income. This is money you earn without having to clock in every morning. Let's break down, step by step, how you can calculate the amount of dividend wealth you'll need, so you can comfortably work less and live more. The first step is to figure out how much money you actually need each month. This means adding up all your living expenses. Start with the basics: rent or mortgage, utilities, groceries, transportation, insurance, and any loan payments. Don't forget smaller costs like phone bills, subscriptions, and entertainment. It helps to track your spending for a month or two. Write down every expense. Use a spreadsheet, a budgeting app, or even pen and paper. Whatever works for you. Be honest. It's easy to overlook small purchases, but they add up over time. The goal is to find your true monthly cost of living. Once you have your total, think about your goals. Are you aiming to cover your entire lifestyle with dividends, or just enough to work part-time? If you want more flexibility, maybe only some expenses need to be covered by dividends. Write down the exact amount you'd like to replace. Remember, your expenses might change in the future. It's smart to add a small cushion to your target, just in case prices go up or your lifestyle changes. This will make your plan more reliable. Now that you know your monthly expenses, it's time to set an annual dividend income target. Simply multiply your total monthly expenses by 12 to get your yearly number. For example, if you need $2,000 per month, your annual target is $24,000. This is the amount of dividend income you'll need each year to cover your chosen expenses. If you only want to work part-time, your target might be lower. Maybe you just want $500 a month from dividends to cut back your work week. Whatever your number is, write it down. It's important to be realistic. Start with a small target if covering all your expenses seems too far off. Even $100 or $200 a month in dividends can make a difference, giving you more choices and less stress. Over time, you can raise your target as your investments grow. Setting a clear income goal is the foundation of your plan. It gives you something to work toward and helps you measure your progress along the way. To figure out how much money you need to invest, you need to understand dividend yield. Dividend yield is a simple formula. It's the annual dividend per share divided by the share price shown as a percentage. For example, if a stock pays $2 per year and costs $50 per share, the dividend yield is 4%. Why does yield matter? The higher the yield, the more income you get from each dollar invested. But high yields can be risky. Sometimes a stock's price drops because the business is struggling, so don't chase the highest yields without checking the company's health. Most reliable blue-chip companies pay yields in the 2 to 5% range. These are companies like Coca-Cola, Procter & Gamble, or Johnson & Johnson. Their dividends are steady and the risk is lower than smaller, less stable companies. When planning, use a realistic average yield. About 3 to 4% is a safe starting point. This helps you avoid overestimating your future income. Alright, now comes the key calculation. How much money do you need to invest to reach your annual dividend goal? The formula is actually pretty simple. You just take your annual dividend target and divide it by the dividend yield. For example, let's say your annual dividend goal is $12,000 and you expect an average dividend yield of 4%. You divide 12,000 by 0.04. That means you'll need $300,000 invested in dividend stocks to make $12,000 per year at a 4% yield. Now, if your goal is higher, or if you're using a lower yield for safety, the required investment goes up. This formula really helps you set clear targets for your investing plan. But remember, dividend yields can change. Companies may increase or decrease their payouts, so it's a good idea to pick a conservative yield to give your plan a safety margin. Let's walk through a complete example. Meet Sarah. She wants to work less and cover $1,500 of her monthly expenses with dividends. First, she multiplies $1,500 by 12. Her annual dividend target is $18,000. Next, Sarah chooses a safe average dividend yield of 3.5% or 0.035. She uses the formula, investment needed equals $18,000 divided by 0.035, which comes out to $514,285.71. This means Sarah needs to build an investment portfolio of about $515,000 in dividend-paying stocks to reach her goal. That's a big number, but she can start small. For example, if she invests $50,000, she'll earn about $1,750 per year, or about $145 per month. As her investments grow and companies raise dividends, her income will rise. Over time, Sarah can use those dividends to buy more shares, speeding up her progress. Reaching a big dividend goal takes time. Start with what you can. Maybe your first goal is to cover your phone bill or monthly groceries with dividends. These small wins keep you motivated. Increase your targets as you earn more and invest new savings. Diversification is key. Don't put all your money in one company or industry. Spread your investments across different sectors. This helps protect you if one company cuts its dividend or stops paying altogether. Remember, dividends aren't guaranteed. Companies can reduce or stop payments, especially in tough times. Look for companies with a long history of steady or growing dividends. Research dividend aristocrats. These are companies with more than 25 years of growing payouts. Keep an emergency fund in cash. This way, you won't have to sell stocks in a downturn to pay bills. Review your portfolio at least once a year to make sure you're on track. Start investing as early as possible. Time in the market is more important than timing the market. Even small investments grow over years. Reinvest your dividends to buy more shares. This speeds up your progress through compounding. Focus on quality companies with stable cash flows and low debt. Don't chase the highest yields. Instead, look for sustainable payouts. Use tools like stock screeners or dividend-focused ETFs if you want something simpler and more diversified. Watch for fees and taxes. Brokerage fees can eat into your returns, especially if you trade often. Some dividends are taxed at a lower rate, but the rules depend on where you live. Learn about the tax treatment of dividends in your country. Stay patient. Building a strong dividend income stream takes years. Stick to your plan, keep learning, and update your strategy as your situation changes. The best time to start building dividend wealth is now. Don't wait for the perfect moment or try to predict the market. Begin by tracking your expenses and setting a small, realistic goal. Every step you take brings you closer to more free time and choices. Remember, you don't need to cover all your expenses right away. Even a little dividend income can reduce stress and open new doors. Celebrate your progress. Share your goals with friends or family to stay accountable. Keep learning about investing and personal finance. Read books, watch videos, and follow trusted sources. The more you know, the better decisions you'll make. Over time, your confidence and your dividend income will grow. Take action today, and you'll be surprised how much your life can change. Your journey to working less and living more starts with a single step.